just came back from JDM Depot in Montreal, and we got ourselves a new transplant here. So we're just gonna unwrap her up. We're gonna get in the garage and I'll show you what we got. Hey guys, welcome back. So we've been pretty busy, so now we got more time to work on the car.
We got some big plans ahead. We're planning on upgrading the engine and bigger turbo, bigger injectors. We're looking to get around 500 horsepower this summer.
So anyways, we started taking the front end apart. Never actually had the fuel tank out. So while we're at it, we're changing the brake lines. What I really wanted to do was check the front end here. So I wanted to check the steering dampener that was in the car, because I had a lot of issues after boost. The car was pretty wonky all over the road, and whenever I took the fuel tank out, we were quite surprised there was no steering dampener in the car whatsoever. So this should actually save a lot of issues, or a lot of headaches. Updated the brake lines for the hood, some new lowering shocks as well, KYB shocks, so that should help quite a bit too. Now we'll have some suspension in the front, and so yeah, that's what I'm going to work on tonight.
The other day actually we went ahead and got started on all of this, and we'll show you some footage here.
Alright, let's get started. Okay, so now that you just saw the video of us taking the engine out of the car, here's the old block there, and that's the new one.
We've got a little bit of work to do. We gotta swap out the throttle body and get rid of the drive-by-wire. Gotta change over our Kennedy engineering plate and our clutch. And we gotta change out our injectors. We're probably gonna strip it down first and give it a nice little paint job and clean her up. We should be able to get that ready for paint tonight. Alright guys, so we got most of this engine stripped down. It's ready for a good cleanup and some paint. Got all the holes clogged up. Matt was over here, he changed out the front shocks. We removed the old ones and they're in pretty rough shape. They're not really retracting too much.
So there's no give at all. Not retracting, like these guys are done.
Yeah, so it should make a pretty noticeable difference whenever we're on the road again. And we're gonna call it a night for tonight. We'll see you again in the next one. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you later.
Thanks guys.